Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we review the latest tech products. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Cherry Stream wireless keyboard. This is a wireless keyboard that's designed for people who need a reliable and comfortable keyboard for work or play. Let's start off by talking about the design of the Cherry Stream wireless keyboard. It comes in a sleek and modern design that looks great on any desk. The keyboard is built with high-quality materials and feels sturdy and durable. It also has a full-sized layout with a number pad, making it easy to use for data entry and other applications. One of the standout features of the Cherry Stream wireless keyboard is its wireless connectivity. It connects to your computer or device via a 2.4 GHz USB receiver, which provides a reliable and stable connection. The keyboard has a range of up to 10 meters, which gives you the flexibility to use it from a distance. Another great feature of the Cherry Stream wireless keyboard is its battery life. It comes with two AAA batteries, which provide up to 3 years of battery life. This means that you don't have to worry about constantly replacing the batteries, which is a great convenience. When it comes to the typing experience, the Cherry Stream wireless keyboard doesn't disappoint. It has a comfortable and responsive key action that feels great to type on. The keys are also quiet, which makes it a great option for people who work in shared spaces, or who don't want to disturb others around them. One thing to note about the Cherry Stream wireless keyboard is that it doesn't have backlit keys. This may be a deal breaker for some people who work in low-light environments or who prefer to work in the dark. Now let's talk about the price of the Cherry Stream wireless keyboard. It is priced at $40, which is a great price for a wireless keyboard. With such a long battery life and a reliable connection, it offers excellent value for money and is a great option for people who need a reliable and comfortable keyboard for work or play. Overall, the Cherry Stream wireless keyboard is a great option for people who need a reliable and comfortable keyboard. It comes with a sleek and modern design, wireless connectivity, and long battery life. While it may not have backlit keys, it offers a great typing experience at an affordable price point. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.